Hello there guys, welcome back to another episode. In this one we're looking at Nano Dimensions again. So of course Nano Dimensions has seen another fantastic day for the stock. We're up about 8% now, obviously after yesterday where we were down quite a bit to be honest, and for the majority of that week this is definitely a significant gain, and I do believe it shows a lot of strength in this stock. So yeah, tonight we're going over what this potentially means for this stock in the future and all that kind of good stuff, where my price targets lie and all of that kind of information. If it does sound like a good plan for an episode, please do leave a like on the channel and do also subscribe. Of course we are trying to grow the channel as fast as possible, so every single subscriber helps us out a lot. On top of that, of course, if you want to come talk to us on our Discord about stocks, link will be down in the description. Let's not waste any more time and jump straight in. So guys, just before we do fully jump in, I need to say, of course, this is just my opinion. I am not a financial advisor, and this video is not necessarily true, you know, it's just my opinion. Don't see it as financial advice, see it as more entertainment. But yeah, it never hurt to have an opinion. So let's just jump straight into this one and have a look at how we have been going. So obviously, over the past 5 days, this stock is down from a point of $9.90 on the 31st of December, and obviously this was an all-time high. So at this point, things were looking really good for the company. It was about to break $10. It was literally 10 cents off, but from there, you know what, we sold off quite a significant amount, taking us down to $8.12. So that whole sell-off took us down 17% over a 5-day period, and of course on the 6th day we have gone up quite significantly. So yeah, 11% gains, not bad at all, almost even 12%. So we are looking at a very positive day for this stock. Now obviously looking at this one on the past month, we're looking at huge growth anyway, a full month which put us up 35%, but you know, most notably from here onwards we kind of saw a big increase, and of course this put us up 44%, and then again here, but we sold off from there like I said. And of course, even in the context of these huge gains, we can see what we have seen today is still quite significant. So yeah, overall, my opinions are very good on this one because I do believe it shows a lot of strength in this one. And I think if it carries on like this, I think if we can carry on a few more days in the green, honestly, I think we have potential to break past that $10 point and hopefully get the stock comfortable around $10, so it will be trading around $10 constantly, and I think that'd be a lovely thing to see. Now, if you guys have been keeping up to date on this one, it has been moving quite a lot over the past 6 months, so most notably from October, the stock price has shot up insanely. It's over 270%. Even higher if we include this bit here, so it's really up a lot recently. And of course, looking at this one on the past few days, you know, it makes sense that it would have sold off, and it's not too significant, it's not too uncommon even that we have been seeing this one. You know, we saw a big sell-off here, this took us down quite a bit, and of course what we've seen here is not necessarily too big in relation. Now overall, a sell-off is not a bad thing. I think a bit of healthy profit taking is absolutely fine. I think if this one carries on to meet new highs, I think it's going to be a fantastic thing. We can see before, like I said, the stock definitely did come close to testing that $10 point, but it never actually made it there. You could argue that it even came close to touching it here at $9.08, but we can see a bit of resistance once we did get close to that point where it was about to break past the next dollar. Honestly, I'm not too sure why, but overall, I do see this stock as a decent buy. So my personal opinions on this one for 2021 and for the next few days, I think it's definitely hard to say with the next few days. Obviously they are very fundamental when it comes to looking into this one, because they will have quite a lot of, you know, a big deal over what happens in the next week or so. But overall, I think if we are positive for the next day, which will of course take us onto Friday and into the weekend, I think fantastic. If we can get up a significant amount, now I know it's a very big ask, but if we could get past another dollar, taking us up to about, you know, $10, I think we are definitely in a fantastic standing because we will have hit new highs on the stock. But overall, even if we are down, I don't think it's too bad at all. If we were down, I'd be a little bit, you know, pessimistic on this one, and I hate to say that, but you know, we have been around this point, let's call it this point here, which I'm highlighting on screen. We've been around this point for quite some time now. Now, obviously, like I've said, it doesn't hurt to have a bit of profit taken, it doesn't hurt to have a sell-off. But if it tests it for the 3rd time in a row, you've got to be asking yourself, where are we going with this one? Overall though, I think if you hold this one for the next year, I can see a lot of potential with this one. I included this one in a video where I talked about 10 stocks, or at least 5 stocks, which I thought could explode in the next year. And I stand by that. I think this stock definitely does have a lot of potential room. We've seen priceless and bulletproof moves with this stock over the past year, so let's see if this can carry on into the next year. Hope you enjoyed the quick video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.